Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm doing an unboxing of a HPI Micro RS4 Drift. This is the smaller car, the 1 to 18 scale, I think. Yeah. Let's see what's inside. What's inside? It's my first time unboxing something like that, so yeah. Okay, first of all, the remote, nicely packed. Okay, looks like this. I think people like the HPI remote, not sure. I will tell you later in the video. Okay, we got a set of batteries. Like, this model is ready to run, so everything should be here. Adapter and some different sockets. Spare parts, I don't know what this is. Okay. Here we got the model itself. It's very small. What else? Some stickers and instruction. Let's see. Okay, I can unpin this right here. And also here and here, let's see. Oh shit. Oh my god, it's like belt driven here. So it has no shafts and yeah. That's weird. Can't wait to play with it. The body is very light and thin. Okay. I will go ahead and charge it up and let's see. You got like 4 different plugs. So this one is the US one, that's the European one, and that I don't know what that is. And this also. Holy shit. Yeah, I just found a flaw of this product. It doesn't want to jump in here all the way. And I'm pushing this all the way in. And this just doesn't want to go. No matter what I do. It looks like those pins are too long, or the metal inside doesn't want to move under pressure, so it doesn't jump in the right spot. I don't know if I will figure this out, but that's definitely not how it should work. Okay, I got it to work. It might help you if you got yours. These 2 pins were stuck in a like default spot, so what I did, I just pushed them a little bit harder inside, and they are spring loaded. They didn't want to like unlock. I just did it like that, and it made them loose. So now I can just put this in here like that. Ta-da! Gotcha. Okay, I got it to run. It's loaded now. One thing you might find helpful is this comes disconnected from factory. It was like bonded behind this cable, and to load it you need this. It was in the box, You plug this in here and you plug it to your battery pack over here. It might be helpful for some people starting with this. Then you just plug it to this cable and you're ready to run. Let's see how I do with it. So yeah, guys, as you can see, the car is pretty responsive, it drives well, but personally I think I will move on to something bigger and I will just return it and just go with the 1 to 10 scale with the bigger model. I mean, it's good, it's small, but I feel like I will upgrade straight away, because yeah, I mean, I don't have too much skill with it as of right now, but yeah, something bigger would be better to start, I think, for me. But for a kid or for a total beginner, I think it's a perfect choice. The only thing I don't like about this car is the way the rear axle works. I mean, it's like not balanced. I will show you. You see it jumping up and down. It's like bouncing, and it makes the car, as the wheels spin, like jump up and down. You can hear that the wheel spin isn't like like normal noise, but it's like jumping up and down. You can see here the wheel moving. Yeah, that's the only thing that I don't like. I put some electrical tape on the wheels because it was very loud without the tape on my floor here. But yeah, it has enough power even for the electrical tape to drift, and so yeah, I will see if the bigger model is much better than that.